For 100 years old,
You're very lucky. Family loves and care for you.
Hindi na kay Cassie dyan.
Malaki ba ba? Bakit yung pang oxygen mo tsaka pamper mo?
Wow!
Yeah.
Sana papahanap pa kita ng date
Ganda ina ko.
Oo nga.
For 100 years old,
You're very lucky. Family loves and care for you.
Okay na pala ang smart.
Okay naman siya. Ito naman yung kanyang ano.
Thank you po.
Sige, para makapag-siesta na. Pwede na ako magpa-picture siya.
Okay na.
Hindi tayo na lang. Halika na, teacher. Halika kayo. Yung mga barangay opisyahan, yung mga asing pa yan. Halika.
Okay po. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, mauna na ako. Pupunta ako pa isa. Ay, bigyan namin si Kapo. Oh, don't, anything from the outside. Happy birthday. Opo, you turn 100. You turn 100. The city government has approved. You turn 100 as a matter of showing gratitude to our elders. Yes. Makabawas man lang sa gastusin. Opo. Ay, it's okay. Sabitan na siya nung gera pa. Hanggang liberation. This area was devastated.
Actually, he put here his store.
For sure.
It was actually in
San Marcelino.
no, parallel to that. They used to call it Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
I think it's the farm kit Lasal area. So lahat sila lumipan.
Oh, grabe ang nangyari sa Lasal.
Yes, kaya lahat ng lasalista nun po, naging artista. So,
Kasi nadurog yung ano eh.
nilulog sila sa lahat sila.
Kasi Ateneo nasa Maynila nung araw eh. Tama nga nun.
Dati sila Ateneo. Basta na yun. Yes, Mayor, this is my mom. She's 87. Mama, come out, Mama.
I'll get out of the way. I'll get out of the way. They're the superstars naman.
Mama, come out.
Ay, magandang araw po. Pasensya na. Nabulong namin ng bahay. Pwede may special gift on city government sa atin. For reaching 100 years old. And in our own little way, showing the city's gratitude for our elders. Halika, asa na pa? Ito si Direktora Beth, ang aming head ng senior citizen. Pasensya ka na dito. Pangbawas lang sa gastusin. Pwede may date si Mami. Sa Robinsons. Oh, 100,000. Kasi bibira talaga ang mga Maswerte nga siya, malusog pa siya. Isa namin yung pinuntahan sa challenge na.
From him, gift.
Thank you sa taxpayer. Ako sinisinop ko lang.
Yes.
Ito naman. Oh.
Tito.
Ito.
Yes, Mia.
Can one of them though go in so that they can take a picture of that and Mayor?
Sure.
Ah, okay. I'll say behind her. Parang hindi na siya tumayo.
From here. You, yeah.
Can daddy
Oh, mami, sorry.
I'm
sorry.
Can daddy move forward?
No, hindi natin siya ilabas.
Okay, para hindi mag-secure.
Opo, okay lang po.
Ako.
I will say behind.
Ayan. Mami, ano kayo? Ay, saan na si ating dentist? O, ikaw ang nawala.
Where's my sister? Where's my sister?
Picture din po.
Anak, madaanin niyo muna sila. Please.
Tandaan mo natin yung gusto. Si...
Konti lang. Yan, pumayat ng konti.
Mga batang Maynila, ito ang Antigo.
Can I ask something?
Ito ang Antigong Maynila.
Okay.
Okay.
Smile. Smile, Dad. Smile.
Okay po.
Smile na lang ang Peter.
1, 2, 3.
I should take a picture of that.
Oh.
It's so cute to see.
Ayan, meron ba kinuha ng mo?
Sana doon na lang tayo. Nag-share ko na lahat.
Medyo malinsan.
Nice naman the picture.
Mag-iingat ka. Ha? I'll go ahead.
Look at that, Dad. Say thank you,
Say
Dad.
thank you. Thank you.
Dad, Dad, say thank you.
Thank you.
See.
He said.
Thank you. God bless you. If I can help in any way, I will change each one.
Tayo partner namin ng PGH. So,
Yes,
tinutulungan kami sa ospital ng Maynila.
Yes, Dr. Legaspi po and I were residents together. Sabay kami may training. Just a few years younger.
Stay healthy.
Thank you so much, Mayor. Stay healthy too.
Daddy, Esther is Mayor Scott Moreno is Esther. Esther.
Dad, say thank you. Dad. Behind you, behind you.
Here. Sorry. I'm here. I'll go ahead so that you feel best.
Ay, you can have it.
No, I'm good. I'm good. God bless you.
Copy po. Copy po.
Thank you very much. Sila yan, mga staff namin sa sa Oscar.
And you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, no, thank you very much.
Para kang wala sa city, oh.
Oo nga.
Iba talaga ang alaman. Pero we're building a pet park and senior citizen park just across your city. Yung dating Malikabok dyan. Remember yung mga poste ng Skyway, then they led it that way. No? So the Malikabok is going to the community. So when I assume, we made it as a pet park and senior citizen park. Diyan lang, sa Plaza Azul. Ito yung Plaza Dilaw. O, Plaza Azul. Sa Nagtahan. Malaki. Almost 1 hectare. Almost 1 hectare. So, at 6, hindi pa. Maka-July.
July.
We started building a few months ago. But it's a good space on a 6:30, 7 a.m. for the seniors. Tapos secluded siya, surrounded by greeneries in a grass. And there is also what do you call this, hall, kasi pag bisa sobrang init. So it's really for the seniors.
That's very nice.
And you know, mga pet lovers sa Manila. Thank you.
Thank you for my
See you.
Thank you, though.
Uy, ako wala akong selfie. Akin lang.
Go lang.
Pasensya na.
No, it's okay.